Yeah, that's right. We're here with another mail call. This time from Hammer Wrench Renovations. I have to check and see if I sent them stickers or not. If I didn't, he's moving, so I'll have to get the new address. What's in here? You want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, here, keep opening. Open all the way. Keep opening. Yeah, keep opening. Open it again, some more, yeah. There you go. And some more. All right, what's in there?
Mail.
Mail. What does that say? Should we read it?
Yeah.
It says, thanks for the trade. I think you are the only person in Canada I know. Keep up the good work and I'll enjoy watching the snow in your vids. Don't want to touch it though. Take care from Skip. His name is Skip. You say hi, Skip?
Hi.
Close enough. What's in here?
Yeah.
What are those?
Yeah.
What are those?
Yeah.
Go like this. Not like that. You hold it like that. And then everyone can see. Can you show it to the camera? Turn it like that. See?
Bye.
See you later.
Bye.
Foot's still pretty sore, but I straightened out the deck a little bit with my good old antique pipe wrench, and just going to unbolt these. Now these bolts are obviously pretty rusty. I've had them sprayed overnight with some penetrating fluid, but they may just break. They're just standard bolts, it looks like, so if they do break, well, we can live with that. On the other hand, they might just pop straight off like nothing. Good deal. All right. This one looks bad. No fight at all. Come on. Lock washer didn't survive, but that's okay. Done. Where'd that other bolt go? There it is. Nice. Can't get these anymore, so it's going to be the end of the line when they're done.
Just distorts the image in like a really weird way, and it's actually hilarious. And I was having so much fun with it. I was like, I had my hand up for like 20 minutes, just like I wanted to show him, because it was a green couch, so I had to like turn to a different color and then do a few things to it. Yeah. And I was just like, look at my couch. I made it a cat couch because I drew a little cat face on and a tail, and then I distorted it really crazy. I actually have the photo on my phone because I emailed it to myself. And it's beautiful. There's just little remnants of the tail here and there, yeah. And it's like, it's great. I love my couch.
Good. Yeah. All right. It's going to be a fun barbecue tonight. I'm going to make a little bit of noise. It's not bad. Yep, that's there for a reason. Yep. care of Cubby's blades at the same time. Most mower shops are going to charge about 20 bucks for that, which actually isn't bad for the amount of work it is. You know, once in a while I'll take it to them if I'm busy, but I had a few minutes, so look after these, and it's really not worth spending the money on those ones. I'll get those bolted back up, and I'm waiting for some parts to mount the deck and on the Gilson, and once those are in, then we can cut some grass. These ones can go back on the Cub Cadet. I got to pull the snowblower off of there and put the mower deck on, so that'll be sometime, I don't know, soon, I guess. Cheers. All right, so this thing being 50 years old, I think we should expect that it's kind of got a floppy deck. When I grabbed it, I forgot. And I grabbed it here to tip it down. The front of this linkage is actually not really connected there until it's on the tractor. And so, that's got to go up there. This is what happened. And that happened on my foot. And it's still sore 4 days later. There is a lift-in clevis. I'm only missing one. Oh well. The Gilson guy on Facebook is sending me 2 of those. And the lift bar, so that it uses hydraulics to lift and lower. So I want to get this thing washed up. So I'm going to drag out the pressure washer and get it all cleaned up so we can service it. Alright, so the deck is all cleaned up, and very soon I'll take the covers off it, we'll look underneath and make sure everything's working properly, check over the spindles and grease them and put those blades on. This is the bell crank, so this hangs underneath just in front of the transmission, and there's a rod that connects from here, so when you operate the hydraulics it rotates, and these chains lift the back of the deck up, and the linkage is such that it actually then lifts the whole deck up. That's the hope. As far as this thing falling on my foot, I mean, I guess it goes to show that even the floppiest of decks can cause problems. PPE is not necessarily the answer. There's an argument to be made for wearing steel toes in the shop, but it hit me so high on the foot, my steel-toed boots would not have helped anyway. Although they're a little heavier leather, maybe that would have helped, I don't know, probably not. But ultimately, if you're working at home in your shop or anywhere off the job, probably have to think about it like it is your job, because it can affect your job, of course. If I'd broken my foot, I'd be out of work for a while, so just be mindful, I guess, and don't take safety for granted. That's kind of the message here, I hope. Until next time, keep it in the litter box. Cheers.